Good morning, everyone. It's Eliana here. Welcome to a day in my life. This will be very realistic, and I don't really have much planned. I do need to go drop off some Depop packages and measure a few things. Sorry, I'm a little tired. I woke up not too long ago, and we'll see what else I get up to. So I'm either gonna do a walk or Pilates today. We'll see what vibes are needed. If my mom needs me more at home, then I'll probably do Pilates. But I would like to get out and do a nice long walk, so we'll see. But either way, we'll get a workout in today. It's gonna be very productive. Drop off some packages, and then plot twist, I'm going thrifting. These are the yeses and these are the maybes. That's my grandma's stuff. Here's a little thrift haul, and here's a little outfit check. I'm wearing these Dairy Boy like boxer short things, and then I thrifted this jacket. I have no idea where it's from, but today, let me show you what I found. You're getting close. My dog's trying to find a blueberry, just so you know. If you see that in the background, good girl, all done. I found these Free People baggy jeans that I thought I could sell. They have something stuck to them. I'm gonna need to get a little stain out, but it won't be hard. Otherwise, they're like in really good condition. I found this genuine suede leather dress. It's vintage, and then it has a cute little belt detail with fringe, and I just feel like it's so cute. I got this tee for a friend of mine. She's a Chargers fan. And then I found this aloe sweater, which does have some stains on it, but I believe I'm gonna be able to get them out. And it was only $6, so it felt worth it to try and get them out. And I could even sell it for less than one that's in better condition does, that I still would make good money off of. So we love to see it. That's my little thrift haul. Now I'm gonna go try and get the stains out of this and the jeans, give them a wash, and I'll probably edit some of this video for YouTube and hang out with my dog and drink my coffee. We're gonna take some Depop photos of all of these recently thrifted items. This I literally just thrifted today. It's 100% genuine leather, and it's so freaking cute. So, and look, brand new tag still on it. This is my little Depop setup. Sorry, you're a little bit crooked, but I'm in the last little outfit. I did some inspo. I don't know if you can see the boots. I did a little like fall styling inspo for this dress, and now I need to essentially take a photo of all of the labels and sizing and everything for each of these items. So I'm going to do that really quick. For dinner tonight, we're having this like Italian quinoa sausage thing. So that's what I'm preparing at the moment. Made a Depop sale, so we are going to package that up right now. I feel absolutely horrible. I have a migraine, And I've been dealing with some stomach issues today, so sorry the vlog kind of just petered out, but that's because so did I. So I decided to package it so that it would be part of this vlog. So I'm persevering. It's 8:37 right now. And legitimately, immediately after this, I'm going to bed. I just sold these BDG Dark Wash high-rise jeans. They're super cute. And I'm jealous. But I can't keep every cute find for myself, you know? So the first thing I do is I fold it up. And then I grab this cute little thank you note thing. I also am keeping track of how many orders I make so that I can kind of see the progress visually of my shop. Make sure we don't forget that, and then just take off the little plastic thing right here. And boom. And now we're gonna print out the label and stick it on here. Printed the label, stuck it on, and now we're ready to go.